Today I'm going to show you a killer combo for a one-step polish.
Every day, every night.
Today I have my Rupes Mille, which is a forced rotation polisher. I have a Chemical Guys heavy cutting pad, and I have HD Speed, which is going to be a true one-step correction glaze. So this is going to leave protection behind. It's not going to have a lot of abrasives in it, but what it's going to do is it's going to refine down really well. It's going to fill in a lot of the scratches, and this pad here is going to allow to get some correction done. Yes, 3D Speed has fillers. No, my client doesn't even know what a filler is. My client doesn't care. They just want their car to look glossy, shiny, and be protected. So that's what we're taking care of for today. Going to place a few drops of HD Speed on the pad. I'm going to spread it out on the surface, and I'm going to do just a few passes. My one-step polishes, I like to get them done quick. I don't like doing multiple passes over and over. I'm going to keep a slow, steady arm speed, and I'm going to show you guys how to get great results rather quickly.
Every day, every night. Every day, every night.
Alright, so we're done with the passes. We did 2 passes left to right, and then we did 2 passes up and down. So now we're going to remove the polish. I can already see a difference. We're not looking for 100% clarity, but we are looking for improvement, and we're adding protection. Every day, every night. Every day, every night. Alright guys, so now we have a BMW that is actually going to be returned back to the dealership. It was a leased vehicle. This vehicle here, she's just looking to get a polish. with a little bit of protection. She wants some gloss. She wants it to look new again because they are going to be returning it as a leased vehicle. The lease is up next week, and there are some minor transfer paint scratches here and there throughout the vehicle. Some tar buildup and just a few scuffs here and there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with a very light polish. So we're going to go with a fine polishing pad by Rupes and Rupes Uno Protect. This polish here is going to have a little bit more cut than the HD Speed, but it's also going to leave protection behind. Knowing and understanding the polish itself, I paired it with a finer pad, so we're gonna have a nice finish, but it's also gonna do the job when I need to get rid of all those little marring scratches and any of the little transfer paint here and there throughout the vehicle. So understanding your polish, understanding your pads gives you a good foundation and a good control starting point, so you know kind of how to gauge each vehicle and what to apply before we even start the polishing process. You already have an idea of what pairings you need. We're gonna go through, polish this guy out, and then I'll show you guys the results.
Every day, every night. Every day, every night. Every day, every night.
So there you have it. We had two vehicles, a white vehicle and a black vehicle, both paired with two different polishing pads and two different polishes to get a one-step paint enhancement. Remember, always bring it back to the fundamentals, understanding your polishes, your pads, your machine, as well as a combination and the paint. You saw great results on two European manufactured vehicles. Clients were both happy. Didn't take a lot of time off of us. It probably extended the detail about 25 minutes. Don't let that be your expectation when you're first starting out. Of course, you need to understand the technique that you're using while applying these pads and polishes and machines together. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you guys have any questions or need any help with your detailing business, whether it be from a technical standpoint or from an operations standpoint or customer service, click the link in the description below for our consulting line. Also, I will link all of the tools, all of the polishes, and all the pads that we used today in the description below. You guys have a good one. See you guys on the next one. Remember, like, subscribe, and share.
Every day.